Today I'm going to share with you how to access World Book Student from home. You will type in our library website address, euclidlibrary.org. Go to the Services tab and select Databases. At the bottom of the Research Categories menu is Students and Homework. And at the bottom of the page, you will find World Book Students. Click on the blue button that says Use this resource. Outside of the library, you will need to type in your library card number. What you will first see is a search bar where you can type in the topic that you are looking for. It will show you what is available under that topic. There are videos, maps, articles, all different types of resources that will help your student prepare whatever they need for their assignment. Another helpful feature of World Book Student is the Biography Center, where you can choose from one of the featured biographies or search for your own. The last feature I'd like to mention is Media. In this are 360-degree photos, sound clips, and short videos on a variety of topics. As you can see, World Book Student is a needed resource for the upcoming school year. If you ever have any questions or problems using this website, please don't hesitate to call us at Euclid Library.